Hey, Miles Peterson. Sorry to say this, but I couldn't go to the 3T22B because certain timing. So unfortunately, I had to record this thing. This is a federal siren signal. I'm gonna run up to it since we only got 4 minutes left until it goes off. So I'm gonna quickly go up to it and I'm gonna show you it. Here it is. Model 5 BT, federal sign and signal, federally signed and signaled. Oh no, federal sign and signal. I actually came over here a few months ago to record this for my sister, but phone died, so yeah. Because of how far the 3T22B is from this location, it's all in Bowling Springs, and we're only in Campbello, Spartanburg County. Don't worry, other enthusiasts have record this thing, or record the 3T22 at least. But yeah, luckily this is also one of my favorite sirens in Spartanburg. I'll be standing somewhere over here right now in the shade because I'm burning up. And yes, I'm wearing pants in 80-degree weather. I always wear pants in weather like this for some reason. But yeah. We got like another 3 minutes until it goes off, so I'm gonna see you in 2 minutes-ish. Okay, it's 12:59 now. I had to pause the footage for a sec. This thing will go off exactly at 1 p.m. For alert tone, for a 3-minute alert, then a 3-minute attack. So, get ready. Here it goes. Never mind. It'll go off in like a minute. So give it a few. Thought that was the 2-tone activation for it, but no. It was just that thing going off again. Yeah. It's probably 1 now, so. Let me zoom in on it now. Let's see. It's still 12:59. Oh, it's 1. It's 1. It's 1. Here we go. Model 5 BT. If it goes off. Please go off. Is it not going off? Or is the test delayed? Because it's 1 right now. If it don't go off, I'm full crash. I swear to God. We spent a little bit of oil just getting here, and if it doesn't go off, then I just wasted my own time. Oh, here it goes. Right.
Great Station, stand by for North Spartanburg Station. Great Station, stand by for North Spartanburg Station.
Oh, test. Here it is. Here it is. Here it goes. Okay. Should go off now. Please. Tell me that it's going off now. It should have went off already. It's 101. It's 102 now. It's not going off. Is the test delayed or something? Because this thing is active. For a second I thought that was it, but no. Oh, here it is. I think. I'll wait another few minutes to see if this thing goes off. If it doesn't, then because the show already went off. It show went off like 2 minutes ago. No, 3 minutes ago actually, technically. Show went off a few minutes ago. Because it's first Saturday of the month. And it is 1:04-ish. Oh. There it is. There it is. Yes! Yes! Awesome. Not bad idea to go right up to it, but I'm gonna try and get a chopper shot of it winding down before it goes off again. My God, this thing's awesome. Yeah, I can see it winding down. I'm gonna run back real quick before it goes off again. After this, it will do a tack tone. And yes, the siren test was delayed for a sec. I'm actually surprised because they haven't done this before. Only with the 3T22B, they've done that for a birthday party or something. But like this, they have not delayed it like that. That is strange, but yeah. Now I'll wait for it to do alert tone, which could take a few. into it. I'm gonna go back here real quick. I'm right here. Should go off for a tack tone in a few seconds. So yay. Fun fact, that is loud. Probably probably maxed out my mic. I don't know. Hey, at least I was up close. That would have maxed out the mic. But yeah, I mean 3T22 was louder than this, but that's still pretty loud. Oh, here it goes for a tack tone. Attack tone time. I'm gonna go up to it again. I'm gonna go up to it real quick, give me a sec, okay? I'm gonna go up to it. I'm gonna go up to it. Up to it. God, I love these things. At first, it sounded like it was gonna do fast whale. Oh my God, I can see the chopper winding down. It stopped. Now chopper stopped. This is what I love about these BTs. I love these B series omnidirectional sirens because whenever they do a tack tone, it sounds underpitched and it sounds like they're about to do fast whale. Yeah, off I go now. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye bye.